White color and Nissan Maxwell. Yeah, it's interesting.
Right from the start, you can feel the tension building. Multiple units coordinating, units 61 and 6 making moves, and the chatter shows this is no routine situation. Notice the precise callouts. North on white color, half-ass coordinates. This is exactly how officers track suspects in real time. Already, the stakes are high. One wrong move could escalate things fast. Audience, here's a question. Apotedo is moment? Pekyakarte? Stay sharp because things are about to get chaotic and we're just warming up.
Got it. 42nd, west of 42nd, turning left, and we coming back on Victory now. Got that cleared. He's back east on Victory. Got that. Left again, back on Hopkins. Right on 42nd. Getting ready for 41st. I get it.
Here's where things get legally critical. The judge is doing everything by the book, reminding her of her right to counsel, confirming her waiver, and giving her a chance to argue her motions. But notice her response, "I stand on my paperwork." That's risky. In court, written filings alone rarely carry the day, especially when they are not grounded in recognized law. And when even the prosecutor says there's no relief under law, that's a massive red flag. If you were in her position, would you still go solo?
Cougar. The 39's going towards a. Got that again. That's all I'm coming in. I think it's a structure. We are west of the right after there. He's not. Styles. Style still auto DG. I just called again. When we come to Cruise 516. He just 1050. Petro is probably going to bad 1050, bad 1050 ring.
I have a case number on the MPH call. Is this showing anything on your end? 74074.
Now the intensity spikes, units referencing 1050s and warnings of imminent danger. For viewers unfamiliar, 1050 often signals a priority or critical situation. This is where legal liability questions start creeping in. Was there justification for aggressive pursuit? Could excessive force be claimed? And the human side, the fear, confusion, and split-second decisions adds a dramatic weight that hits hard. Emotional tension is through the roof. Ap hote to kya karte? Step back or pursue aggressively.
Give me that right hand. 25 to get hit. 6 hands down. Where's these stupid ass radios? Here's my radio. My radio's moved. I'm getting through to you. 295 one. It's in the carjack. Hey, let me up. Put him in the back. You had a cage open. Hey, come on, please. Come on. Come on. Can't get up. Get your ass up, man. Get in the cage down here, dude. You got gloves on? You got some right here. What was the point of that? Huh? Who else is in that car? My wife. Who's driving? Who's driving? Who's driving? He's no way, man. That's not hard on a couple questions. Who's driving? Oh, we're going to figure it out. Y'all hear me over there? We couldn't hear anything. I heard him hold the air. That's all I heard. We couldn't find out where. Everyone. I don't know about it. Please tell me didn't do that for a week. Please, God, tell me you did that shit for a week. That's all out. You did not do that shit over some weed, dude. You got the wrong one, brother. I don't give a shit about that. You better hook the people now.
And here's the wrap-up moment. Chaos, emotional outbursts, conflicting statements, and the human toll are crystal clear. Legally, Officers must document everything, from who was driving to the aftermath of the accident. Every radio complaint, cage interaction, and shouted command will factor into liability and procedural review. The judge will weigh intent, negligence, and response. Audience, the takeaway: high-speed incidents carry massive legal and moral consequences. If you found this case as shocking as we did, hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more courtroom breakdowns.